So another day, another video as promised. This is the constructed house of the video that I posted earlier in the week, and as you can see, it faithfully follows the design vision which I liked about this client. This house is constructed on a 50 by 80 plot in Ruiru, and of course it's not completely finished, but why pay rent yet you have an almost complete house. And this is a vision that I like to see. This is the view that I talked about on the upper terrace. This is the sunrise, and there you have the sunset. So you can imagine living in this house, the views, my goodness. That is the model from the previous video that I posted. And as you can see, the design has been upheld. See you in the next video.